войне! Нет войне! За любви! За любви! Слава Украине! Слава Украине!
Peace for Ukraine or you reign now. Russia, just go home.
Our programs offer many languages. Please visit suprememastertv.com/schedule.
New developments and architectural designs featuring gardens, trees, and even urban rooftop farms are emerging. These innovative approaches offer many benefits for both the environment and society. Green Rooftops, harnessing nature for sustainable living. Continue watching to find out more.
Vegan, 'cause we are the change.
So be kind, be grateful. The last one, be hopeful. How can we not be hopeful when we're surrounded by this loving community? How can we not be hopeful when we live in a country where 1 million people come to march for diversity, to march for equality, to march for justice, to march for freedom? Today, we march for all of those reasons, and we march to bring all beings to the table. Freedom for all! Justice for animals! 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 One struggle, one fight! Freedom and more rights! Freedom for all! Justice for animals!
If you ever visit Nunatsiavut, you may be greeted with Katagaktik Kuvenak, meaning nice to meet you in Inuktitut,
the native language spoken in the autonomous region of Canada.
My name is Johannes. The wise people of Nunatsiavut wish that your heart will know only pure joy, peace, and compassion for all beings. Welcome to our show, Green Rooftops, Harnessing Nature for Sustainable Living. Have you ever noticed how the environment in a busy city area often feels warmer, while in a serene park filled with lush greenery, it feels cooler? As urbanization continues to expand around the world, the warmer climates of crowded metropolitan areas, known as heat island effect, are becoming an increasingly pressing problem. To address this issue, new developments and architectural designs featuring gardens, trees, and even urban rooftop farms are emerging. These innovative approaches offer many benefits for both the environment and society. In 2020, Canada's Lufa Farms launched the world's largest commercial rooftop greenhouse. This urban farm facility was established on the rooftop of a warehouse in Montreal, Canada. With a combined area of 150,000 square meters, equivalent to the size of 3 football fields, Lufa Farms uses hydroponic systems to cultivate approximately 100 types of vegetables and herbs, providing sustainable food for city residents. Among the vegetables harvested each year are lettuce, cucumbers, zucchini, bok choy, celery, sprouts, eggplants, and tomatoes. The food produced is sufficient to feed 20,000 families each week at affordable prices. We commend the operators of Lufa Farms for their noble efforts to establish a rooftop greenhouse in an urban area, thus bringing people closer to their food sources. May such sustainable agricultural methods continue to be blessed by the heavens.
If you believe that all creation is God's children, at least be vegan.
Now, let's journey to Asia to explore an incredible green rooftop. In 2020, it was announced that the Thammasat University Rooftop Farm, or TURF, had been established at Thailand's Thammasat University, Rangsit campus, making it Asia's largest urban rooftop organic farm. Situated in Pathum Thani province, approximately 30 kilometers from Bangkok, TURF was designed by the landscape architecture and urban design firm Land Process to promote sustainable food production and help mitigate the effects of climate change. TURF's primary goal is to ensure that food crops are sustainably cultivated, thus benefiting both human health and the local ecosystem. This initiative shows Thailand's commitment to addressing the need for sustainable food systems by fostering a harmonious relationship between agriculture and the environment. TURF spans an area of 22,000 square meters, seamlessly blending modern landscape architecture with traditional agricultural design. The innovative project incorporates a number of sustainable elements, such as solar energy systems, organic waste management, and efficient water use. Employing state-of-the-art green roof technology, TURF maximizes the available landscape at Thammasat University to cultivate more than 40 edible species. These include rice, indigenous vegetables, herbs, and fruit trees. Remarkably, the farm produces enough rice for approximately 135,000 meals annually, providing nourishment to the local community. In addition to its agricultural benefits, TURF serves as a platform for mitigating flood risks within the campus. It also acts as an educational hub for teaching urban farming, offers social benefits, and fosters interdisciplinary collaboration among various disciplines in the university community. Bravo to Land Process for its TURF green roof design. May the people of Thailand who actively promote sustainable lifestyles be abundantly blessed.
There are 211 countries and regions which have animal people protection laws. Bangladesh is one of them.
Bangladesh Animal Welfare Bill 2019. This unanimously passed law provides much stricter penalties for animal people cruelty than in the past, with serious violations incurring up to 2 years imprisonment and or a 50,000 taka or $590 fine.
Obey the law of your country. No more animal people slaughterhouses. No more hurting. No more murdering them to eat, to lab test, or for any reason at all. Be vegan. Make peace. So be it.
In 2021, an inspiring event occurred when 31 major European cities signed a declaration committing to greening 30 to 40% of high-rise buildings within their metropolitan areas. The mayors of these cities unanimously agreed to invest in tree planting initiatives, particularly in parks and other available spaces, in order to enhance water absorption and prevent flooding. This united effort is spearheaded by the C40 Cities Global Network, with the primary objective of mitigating the effects of climate change. Among the notable cities participating in the agreement are Athens, Barcelona, Berlin, Copenhagen, London,
Milan,
and Paris. Together, they're taking bold steps to create more sustainable and resilient living environments for their residents.
The Honorable Giuseppe Sala, Mayor of Milan, says, "In Milan, we are committed
to plant 3 million trees by 2030, to use nature-based solutions to increase resilience and protect citizens from the climate crisis, to refresh our neighborhoods with green areas and water, and to regenerate the urban environment in a sustainable manner." C40 Executive Director Mark Watts says, "Reintegrating nature into urban spaces absorbs carbon, helps to provide clean air, flood-proof areas, and cool spaces, as well as improving people's health and making cities more pleasant and exciting places to live."
What a marvelous group of decisions made
by the mayors of Europe's leading cities. Also, in 2021, the City Planning Authority of Basel, Switzerland, made green roofs a legal requirement. By making the installation of green roofs compulsory, Basel became the world's first city to have green spaces among buildings and metropolitan areas enforced by law. This move enables Basel residents to enjoy a more livable environment filled with gardens that can lower temperatures and cool off the surrounding area. Plants can also improve air quality and help reduce carbon dioxide.
Vegan, a purified person.
Let's take a moment to appreciate the fresh, cool air in the garden. May the integration of natural environments into urban areas and the creation of vegetable farms on rooftops become more widespread around the globe. Please stay tuned to Supreme Master Television.
We pray for Ukraine, O you reign.
Welcome back to our show, Green Rooftops, Harnessing Nature for Sustainable Living. As we continue to witness the devastating effects of climate change, it's more important than ever to consider eco-friendly practices in our daily lives. The development of innovative green rooftops to counter the planet-warming effects of climate change and promote sustainable food production is gaining in popularity. In 2022, a supermarket rooftop in Brussels, Belgium, was transformed into a garden hosting 60 species of plants. This innovative scheme allows the supermarket to offer customers a wide variety of fresh vegetables. Known as the Lagoon Project, the rooftop setup was funded by the European Regional Development Fund, or ERDF. According to Euronews, the garden spans 320 square meters and has produced more than 2 tons of food within a year, supplying fresh produce to residents of Brussels. The Lagoon Project goes beyond urban agriculture and serves as an educational platform where people can learn about sustainable food practices. Francisco Davila says, "We look into the agronomic part of the research, but also we look at the multifunctionality of these kinds of projects. There is also training and awareness and cohesion of the social neighborhood." Francisco adds, "It could be a model for other European city rooftops."
Russia, leave Ukraine or you reign. Now, peace be with you too.
In the next exciting segment, we'll visit Paris, France. In 2022, global digital infrastructure company Equinix Incorporated established a rooftop greenhouse as part of its sustainability efforts. This innovative project is located at the PA10 data center in the Saint-Denis commune and is designed to promote sustainable use of data centers. The company invested $163 million to incorporate various sustainability practices into the facility. Designed by Reed Brewin Architects, or RBA, PA10 features a 430 square meter greenhouse surrounded by 570 square meters of gardens. The greenhouse serves as a space to cultivate seasonal fruits and vegetables using a hydroponic system. The harvested food is expected to be shared among the facility's staff members and visitors. John Hutchinson, a director at RBA, says, "It is of increasing importance that we increase our actions and mitigate the environmental impact of an increasingly digital world. Sustainability and safeguarding the environment are at the heart of everything we do, and this opportunity has already inspired further initiatives across our client base." In 2023, plans were announced for an exciting urban farm on top of a multi-story car park in Birmingham, England. The proposed green rooftop farm will be created on the upper levels of the Vice Street car park, located in the city's Jewellery Quarter. This rooftop farm is designed to promote sustainable agriculture, produce locally grown food, and reduce carbon emissions. The project was initiated by Slow Food UK, a not-for-profit group dedicated to promoting sustainable, locally cultivated food. The proposed design for the facility includes glass houses, gardens, a cafe, and an education hub. The scheme also involves collaborating with local schools and colleges to promote interest in food cultivation and cooking. Kate Smith says, "Our proposal is part of a system rethink designed to provide food security as we cope with a changing world. Green rooftops and rooftop urban farms are gaining in popularity due to the many benefits they offer. When rooftops are transformed into gardens or vegetable farms, they not only beautify the surroundings, but also bring numerous other benefits to both society and the environment. We extend our best wishes for the success of plans to promote rooftop urban farming and the cultivation of fruits and vegetables. May all of these endeavors be blessed with success.
I got a fur shawl once. I was so disgusted, and I couldn't regift it. I don't know anyone who'd want fur. Jenny Garth, vegan.
Thank you for your kind presence today. May the vegan lifestyle soar in popularity around the globe. Up next is Inara, helping children reach a brighter future. May veganism flourish and the beauty of all life forms be forever cherished and respected.
There are 211 countries and regions which have animal people protection laws. Obey the law of your country. No more animal people slaughterhouses. No more hurting. No more murdering them to eat, to lab test, or for any reason at all. Be vegan. Make peace. So be it.
Be vegan. Make peace. Do good deeds. Hell not reach.
Our programs offer many languages. Please visit suprememastertv.com/schedule and suprememastertv.com/PE.
Nos programmes offrent plusieurs langues. Veuillez visiter suprememastertv.com/schedule et suprememastertv.com/PE.
Nuestros programas ofrecen varios idiomas. Visiten suprememastertv.com/schedule y suprememastertv.com/PE.
Acara kami menyediakan banyak bahasa. Silakan lihat suprememastertv.com/schedule dan suprememastertv.com/PE.